Fast/easy gourmet meals in minutes. 101 recipes in a flash MRR package plus 3 bonuses. Finally, you can cook a professional, delicious gourmet meal, lightning fast, without slaving crazy hours in your kitchen. In 30 minutes or less. For the first time ever, it's easier than easy to create a delicious meal in literally minutes. With this package, you can discover the right way to cook up a storm at lightning speed. 101 recipes in a flash is the quickest and easiest way to create professional and great tasting meals in a flash. Inside this magnificent work you'll get over 101 meals that you'll absolutely love. Everything any homemaker, housewife, busy entrepreneur, student, gourmet chef, etc. would need. Create delicious professional gourmet meals in a flash. Needless to say, this information is jam-packed with 101 meals you'll literally sink your teeth into. This really is the ultimate MRR Recipe Cook Book package. Plus, 3 bonuses. A. Vegetarian meals in a flash. B. Breakfast in a flash. C. Dessert in a flash. Before you leave, please do one or all of the following. Click the like button. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a positive comment. For more information on this product, click the link shown below in the description box. And, thanks for watching.